Every year, drones keep getting better, smaller, smarter, and easier to fly, but this one right here just feels like it's the next step up for beginners and content creators. Welcome back to a brand new video, and if you're new to the channel, my name is Santi with the Tech Utopia team. Today we are checking out the Skyrover S1, and this drone right here is backing up 4K at 60 frames per second. We got a 3 gimbal axis for multi-shot. You want to pan, tilt, whatever you want to do for that creative shot, we can do that as well. We also got a 12-kilometer transmission, so you want to do long shots, you can do that as well, and the signal is not going to be lagging. And we also got the 40 minutes of flight time, and that's all under 249 grams. And yes, this thing is pretty light, but it can do really cool shots. So here's the deal. The Skyrover S1 was designed to make flying effortless, and you get professional level performance without the learning curve or stress about the regulations. And since it's under 249 grams, you can skip the paperwork and get straight into flying in most regions. Now it's lightweight, foldable, and is ready to go anywhere, which is why this brand calls it the Fly with Ease. Now the build feels pretty good for its category, and it has strong arms, the compact motors, and a 3-axis gimbal system right on the nose, and it's built for stability even in level 5 winds, and it's compact size, so it means that it can fit in a small bag or even your jacket pocket. Now let's get into the best part, which is the camera and image quality. And this is where it gets good, because this drone's camera is powered by a 1/2-inch Sony sensor and is capable of shooting 4K at 60 frames per second and capturing 48 megapixel photos. Now the colors are natural and not over sharpened, and the stabilization is incredible thanks to the 3-axis gimbal. And compared to other drones at the price, I think the S1 delivers a true live tones and a smoother motion straight out of the box. Now the Skyrover S1 features the SkyBridge HD transmission and offering a crystal clear 1080p 60 frames per second live feed up to 12 kilometers away, which that's actually serious range for a drone this light. And you get less lag and more control, and a strong anti-interference even when flying near city signals or complex terrain. Now one of the biggest headaches in the market when it comes to drones have always been about the battery and the flight time, and the Skyrover S1 gives you up to 40 minutes of flight per charge, which is a big upgrade over the typical beginner drones that maxes out around 25 to 30 minutes. And it charges quickly, so you can just swap the packs and keep flying it with no interruptions. And since technology has gotten so much better and so much easier so we can fly these drones, the one-tap takeoff and landing make it so much easier for beginner friendly, and you've got an auto track that locks onto you or your subjects with a smooth precision. The smart return to home kicks in automatically when the battery runs low or if you lose signal, which gives you a big peace of mind when you're flying high or far. And through the app, this is where you can adjust the settings such as recording quality, camera adjustments, and then when you go to quick shots, this is where you start getting creative with the different presets such as the drone, the rocket, the circle, and more. Now the S1 uses the GNSS forward-facing infrared and downward vision sensors for stable hovering even indoors or at low altitudes. And that means no random drifting or shaky position when you're trying to line up the perfect shot. And for this review, I took it out locally, a quick setup at the park, a couple of flights downtown, and some tracking shots of vehicles, and the S1 just handled everything like a pro. Even on a pretty windy day here at the beach, the footage was steady and the transmission stayed very solid. especially with the 60 frames per second live feed. And this makes it so much more simple because it's the kind of drone that you can take traveling, hiking, or if you just want to fly for fun without needing a full pilot setup. And I think Sky Rover actually did very well with this drone with the S1, because this is a company that focuses on high performance consumer drones, and they are designed for beginners, hobbyists, and everyday creators, and their goal is to make premium flight tech accessible for everyone. And the S1, they actually really hit the balance between professional quality and everyday usability. So I think to sum it up, the Sky Rover gives you a pro level footage, and the body is small enough to fit in your hand, and you get 4K 60 frames per second, a 40-minute flight time, a long-range control, and 3-axis gimbal, all without worrying about registrations or setup headaches. And it's reliable, it's travel-friendly, and it's built for anyone who wants cinematic aerial shots without the pro-level learning curve. So if you've been thinking about getting into drones, or if you want to upgrade your starting one, I think the Skyrover S1 might be your best move in 2025. So that's it for this episode. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Go ahead and check out the link in the description if you want to grab one of these with a special discount. Like, subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.